All right, here we are on the, we'll call it front fascia or valance. Oh, we're almost at the end of the day. That's cool. Day's been busy with things. Shout out to my cousins Mandy and Janet. Just thinking of you guys today. So, been busy here. This is kind of how it is. We are ready to start adding sheeting to the front, so I thought I'd video that. We need to get over here to my nails, to my gun. As you can see, we've moved from staples to nails. After 25 years or 20 some years of framing, I finally figured out to put the stapler in the trailer for the winter, because when it gets cold, staplers are stubborn. That's a good word, stubborn. Okay, so that's going to help me hold it. Technically that's the end. I actually ran this whole face kind of wild, so I'm two inches too far. So let's sheet this. So excited to get this sheet on. It's going to change the look so much. So these run into the rafters and they're fastened to the rafters. This here is basically soffit backing and stiffener. There is no eaves trough here, so I got to put a trough out of wood and the water will drain, I think, that way. Not sure. So yeah, no eaves trough on the front of this home. I think I just bumped you into my... Okay. So that is hanging out on its nail there. I had that. Huh. That's not doing any good there. Let's do this. Oops, that's the wrong mark. That's the right mark. Whoa. Flush on the bottom. Perfect. Perfect. Oh, it moved. Awesome sauce. There it is. Hold it. Take the nail. Take the shot. And there's not even one nail in there. That's cool. Better check to make sure it's still flush. Perfect. Okay, that actually worked. Move it down. Perfect. It's getting a little squishy up here. Smidge up right there. Okay. Bottom is perfect. Pop nails in there. How's the top? Should be almost 2 inches here. That's 2 inches. You gotta be kidding me. That's too lucky. I'll take it though. Okay, let's add some nails to this party. Ha! Temperature, yes. She was a balmy -17. This morning, so that was fun. Oh. So it was an incredibly slow start. Currently, a balmy -13. I have to cut a piece off here. I put one in backwards, I'll show you. I put this guy in backwards, so he's sticking out too far, the jerk. Okay. So it was a lot of layers. Still are a lot of layers to stay warm. It's tough, it really is. Okay, let's put this next piece on. Flush on the bottom. Perfect on the bottom yet. Of course, I got a little ice here I have to be considering. Yeah, we're too high here. What are we here? Yeah, a little too high. Funny. There it is. Perfect. I'm counting on this to actually, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to fasten this right here. Might have to add some alcohol to the old lines there, because they're being stubborn. I'm kind of hanging on this sheet here now. Okay, I'm gonna go throw some alcohol in the lines. I'll be right back. Okay. Got the next sheet almost on here. Come down. too low. Up a touch. Perfect. Okay, good. Now this should be, got so many pieces kind of on my scaffold, I gotta figure out how this all goes. This is gonna be, this should be 9 feet. It's close to it, yeah. Okay, so I need to find a 1-footer. Cut. I think it's over here. I think this is it. Yeah, perfect. By the way, this wraps around here. Oh, yeah. That'll probably be for tomorrow. Let's get this unwrapped now. Let's put this little nugget right here. Oh! Oh, thank you. That one. Got to be real close here. Smidgen down. Yep. Okay, perfect. Okay. Yeah, I knew that. There's my stud. Here's my stud. Yeah, there you go. Fixed. Okay. Now, there's the front fascia board / valance, whatever. Each trough's back here. Well, thanks for hanging out. That went pretty good, all things considered. I have more stuff to cut. Thank you for watching. Y'all take care.